About today?
All the fish you're not catching?
Are we going to make a competition out of it?
I don't know, are we?
No.
Right to this rock. Oh, that's a mean fish. Let's get this guy in.
One's going, the other. Holy, it's a bit fresh this morning. Good morning. We are up in the Green Bay area this morning. Absolute cracker early. It's freezing cold. Bloody excited about getting out in the water. Just waiting for my buddy to turn up, and then we can go and hit the coastline along here and see if we can pull out some decent snapper. Excited part of the morning of being a fisherman who's up before the sun, always ready to catch the next big one. Good morning.
Oh, good? Nah.
Andy?
Yeah.
It's weird, but I don't know about you, but I feel like I know you.
Nah, I get you.
How's, did you stay here overnight?
Nah, I just came from a drive. Cold today, yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's like 1 degree. Right, Matt, we're going to do this thing.
Oh, probably. I yap a lot, eh?
Really? You talk a lot.
You reckon? A little bit.
What are you going to talk about today?
Oh, all the fish you're not catching?
Are we going to make a competition out of it?
I don't know, are we?
Stealth versus biking.
Oh, don't put that into it.
Nah, just kidding. Should we have a little friendly comp?
Oh, why not?
Biggest fish?
Biggest fish, you reckon?
Yeah.
Alright, you're on.
Next time we're somewhere we're eating food or whatever, well, the other one can buy. Whoever wins.
Oh, yeah?
Sounds good, mate. Let's get out there. Cracker of a day. So yeah, well, there was two, so there's the other one. I'd probably smack this one first.
Yeah.
And just see if there's any liveys around. And then off to the right again.
Yeah, good first.
morning. Out here with Matt from Nomadic Kayak Fishing, which is fun. Bit of a challenge, a bit of a change to fish with another YouTuber. So we are out here trying to catch some live bait just at the bottom end of Bream Bay, and struggling at the moment. So I will keep hunting around and see if we can find some live bait, and we're gonna cruise off into the sun there and see if we can find something around the point. So stay tuned. Fish are playing hard to get today. Right, first cast of the new Stratic. Here we go. Oh, listen to that. Nice. Tasline doing its job. So smooth. Will we get a fish on our first cast with it? Oh! One's going, the other's going. Oh, I think I found something. Oh, I'm getting smoked on both of them. Damn it, that first fish was good. I think I dropped it. Don't let the weight off. Oh yeah. A nice snapper to start with. He's going to come home, I think, that one. It's nice 450. Perfect. We'd already given one of the little ones back on the right, so this one's coming home. Great condition fish.
5 barrow, half-ounce jig head, and a 6-inch paddle tail. Get that out there. My casting accuracy has gone out the door for some reason. Yep, on the dog. Oh, that was easy. Second cast. Oh, that's got a fair bit of toe. Literally second cast. Oh, he's taking me right to this rock. Oh, that's a mean fish. Let's get this guy in. Now, I do want to feed today, but he's first fish, so we'll send him back to Tangaroa. Look at that, perfect in the corner. Going home, bro.
Camera and drop the fish. Need to mucking around with my cameras. On the fish, but apart from that first couple of strikes, they're all a bit small. So I might just keep moving. I'll give one more cast. What we want is straight out. I've been recently having some issues with kahawai coming off as live bait, so I've been testing different methods for how to connect my kahawai to the hook. So this time round I was trying the tried and true zip tie method, where you zip tie the kahawai nose to the hook on another zip tie. It worked really well. The kahawai never came off, just unfortunately I never caught any fish. Out from in the rocks. And he put me right into the rock. Ah, smoked. Damn it! That was a good hook. That was a big hook. Bugger! And just like that, I got smoked. That's the kind of moment that every angler waits for, but hey, at least we got good footage, right? There's our gulp chewing little leather jackets. Do you know what? I'm going to take this one and I'm going to turn that into something nice. Supposedly they taste pretty good. And skin them down even whole. So, something to try, something different. Love your sticker. How's it going? I got a few in close to the rocks, so I just got dusted before by something I just couldn't stop. Put me straight into the rocks, so that was good fun. How about yourself? Has it been quiet out here? Or?
Usually, sometimes because I've only got a really little library.
Yeah.
Sometimes I pick up a certain snapper and
Okay. Yeah. It makes for some cool angle shots though. It's like having a drone. It's like having a drone right there.
Yeah, the photograph is wicked.
But it is a bit of a pain, and I do worry that it's going to rip a hole in my kayak.
Yeah, you've got a lot of faith in that starport there.
I've reinforced it pretty hard out. You haven't got sick of fish?
Nah, it's free.
Yeah, you can't get sick of free, eh?
But just followed my mate Andy. He's got a sounder that's working currently. Just followed him out to a bit of a loop and come across a few birds just there on the surface. There's a bit of a rock there, so drop the gear down and see what we can make happen.
dropped it. Yeah, picked up by another one. No, only little. I love that though, eh? You drop the first one and you just let it go and you can always get another one straight after. Little snapshot. There he goes. Another nice eater. Right out of the shallows. Cool little fight. He just smashed that paddle tail. Little white paddle tail. It's exactly what I needed. And I caught a fish for a little while. Yeah, we got most of our kingfish as this reef kind of goes out that way. The first day we were here, they were all up along the edge of that, and the second day got hit here, and then on this close point was where most of them were. But it's quite fun fighting them in here in like 7 meters of water.
Yeah, it's not too
There's quite a reef sort of there, just up here a bit. There's a bit of rocks. Alright, I'll give it to Matt. He landed the biggest one today. But it's not just about size, it's about the journey, the laughs and the stories we'll take away from it. Go check out Matt's channel today at Nomadic Kayak Fishing. The link is in the description above. Thanks for watching again today. Please make sure you like and subscribe if you want to see more content, and we will catch you on the next one. Bye.